In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Airtable base by adding a new field to your table. Whether you're working on a project, managing tasks, or simply organizing data, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. Let's get started. First, head on over to Airtable and log into your account. Once you're in, open the base that contains a project template you want to customize. This is where all your data and organizational magic happens. Now, look for the specific table in your base that you want to modify. It might be labeled something like projects or tasks. This is where we'll be adding a custom field to make sure it serves your needs perfectly. As you scroll to the far right end of your table, you'll notice the columns extending with all kinds of field data. There you'll find a handy plus button designed specifically for adding new fields. Go ahead and click it. This is where the customization fun begins. Next, you'll want to name your new field. Consider the purpose for its use, such as priority, budget, or deadline notes. The name should clearly represent what information will be stored or represented in that field. Once you have a name in mind, you also need to choose a field type from the drop-down menu. There's quite a variety, so select the one that best fits your data. You have options like single line text for short notes, long text for more detailed descriptions, numbers for things like budgets or quantities, dates for setting deadlines, checkboxes for easy status indicators, and single select or multiple select options for organizing categories or labels. Now, let's talk about some additional configurations which might be available depending on the field type you've picked. For instance, if you chose single select or multiple select, you'll have the chance to add custom choices for users to select from. In the case of a number field, you might want to set the format such as a currency or decimal. If you're dealing with dates, make sure to specify whether you want to include the time as well. Once all your configurations are set, remember to click Save. This action will officially add your new custom field to the table, and you'll see it appear as a new column ready for data entry. If you wish, you can also reorder this new field. Simply drag the column header to place it in the position that fits best within your table structure. To make the most of your new custom field, consider using it in various views such as grid, calendar, Kanban, or gallery. Having versatile views can greatly enhance your project management capabilities, giving you a clearer perspective on your data. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Airtable base with a new custom field. Thank you for joining me on this journey.